Hey, Eric the Bearded Tool Guy. My Milwaukee 3651-20 subcompact impact driver with a 3 amp 21700 cell battery. This is my Flex FX1331. This is like a compact subcompact impact driver. 3.5 stack lithium down to 2. That's on speed 2. This of course has a toggle switch on speed 3. Removing various lags. Tell you one thing, the Milwaukee's a hell of a lot faster. And this says stacked lithium. Oh hell yeah. This is a lot faster. Hey, I have the new Milwaukee Force battery coming in. It should be in this weekend. Then I'm going to pit it against the Flex, against the DeWalt power stack. And I'm going to run it against a 3.5 stack lithium from Flex in the 6. And I'm going to be running probably this new M18 compact. I'll be running the FX1333, and I'll probably run the DeWalt DCF845. So that way then we can see which one of these units, these are lightweight, and they have the DeWalt 845 in with the 5 amp power stack, and see which one competes. We might end up bumping the Flex to a 6 amp power stack. Eric the Bearded Tool Guy signing off.